Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, my husband and myself are going to Istanbul in Turkey for a week's break, and we would like to take you along with us. Thank you for stopping by and come with us as we make our way to Istanbul for this short break. this is the room tour of our suites. So in here, when you come in, there's a wardrobe, and you have ironing board, suitcase stand, and iron, and some hangers. It's really nice suites for a short break. You have a mirror here, and as you walk in, you have to your left, you have this a shower room, and in here you have a shower, like a wet room, and toilet, sink, and kind of nice and clean, just what you wanted, and quite and we have a nice sink here. I've just added to my toiletries, but they have left quite a few options of toiletries for you to use. Some cotton buds, shower hats for you to use there, some soap. Wow, very nice, very nice. Drawer space for you to use, like kind of a home from home. And when you come out of the bathroom, you go into the bedroom, and this is a double bed, and this is a 1-bedroom suite. So we have TV here as well, and we also have some more wardrobe space here. And some spare pillows, some sofas. They give extra sofas if you need one, and yeah, it's safe because we're here for 1 week. So we're having a short break, and it's a nice little space to stay in. And from the bedroom back to the hallway, that takes you straight to the living room. And the living room is quite okay, with sofa chair, tea. We just opened our suitcase there because it's quite tight in the bedroom. Some TV, and trying to find an English channel at the moment. Haven't found one yet, but I will look through. And then you also have a little dining space where you can both sit and have your meal, and you have a kitchenette. So in the kitchen, you have a tea making facility, you have microwave, you have cupboard, lots of cupboard space, as well as underneath there, some more cupboard space. You have fridge, and you have freezer space as well, right there. You also have washing machine. So this is really a home from home. More cupboard space, dishwasher, and the bin. So here we have sink. They provide you with cutleries and plate, and then some few cutleries for you to use. So we brought few things with us, so we're making it home for the next 1 week, and we hope to pop out and get a few more other things. The hotel also provide breakfast, and it's included as part of your hotel cost, but dinner you have to order. And we just ordered a nice noodles, and it was quite tasty. So when we eat again, I'll try and show you some of their meals. So this is the room tour.